Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video, I'm going to answer a common drone photography question, and that is how much to charge for drone photography. Now, when I first started offering aerial services, we charged more than what we do today. I think we charged $200 initially. Now our base price is $100 for 5 aerial photos, which is sufficient for our client base, which are real estate agents. But getting and training your license to become a real estate drone photographer is much easier now in 2021 than when I started years ago. I actually had to go get my private pilot's license in order to offer aerial services to our customers. So the barrier to entry is so easy, and we also require our photographers that we work with to get their Part 107 drone license as well within a short period of time of working with us. Obviously, we provide for that, but you'll have to take all those considerations into account, right? Your drone equipment, how much time it's going to take you. Now, if you're a one-off drone company, then you're likely going to have to charge more than what we charge, because we're already there usually to do the photography or videography work, and then it's just a quick add-on. It takes us an additional 15 minutes or so to shoot, and then the editing takes about that amount of time as well. But if you only do drone photography, you're gonna have to charge more because you're driving further. There's a lot more time involved, and you're only there for the one product. So anyways, that's how I would price, and that's how we priced our drone photography. So take all the variables into consideration: how much the equipment you're using, the time you spend driving, and your travel time and your editing time. That's going to do it for this video. If you're interested in learning more about real estate media, feel free to check out our free 1-hour training where I go over my top 10 secrets on how I created a 7-figure real estate media business. I also take you on a few short job shadows so that you can see what it's like shooting real estate media. The link is in the description. That's going to do it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.